This motorhome is a Le Voyageur Eterna. Comes at a cost of €179,000. Has Alde heating, and let's come inside. So first thing, notice how the seats are down. Why are they like that? That's to allow the bed above to drop down. Coming to the back, two singles, and below the singles we've got storage. We've got storage in the step, and on this side we've got storage as well, which I'm going to demonstrate. I'm opening this up like that. Well, nice big drawer. Could of course do with proper sides on it. Here we've got storage above, but not above the window, presumably because it was felt there wasn't enough space there. But it is somewhat unusual. Also, the locking devices are slightly different to those which you normally see in vans, but I'll show you that in the kitchen, assuming of course that the kitchen does have locks on them. Down here, before I come down here, oh, there you go, there's the locking device. Can you see that? There we go. So plenty of storage in here. Now coming into this shower, very good job on the shower. Nice large shower. It's also got a skylight up there, and on the other side we have the toilet. Now one thing here we've got is a double floor, and in the double floor is a number of hatches here. For example, there you have your black tank. Usually the tanks are at the back of the vehicle, nearly always in fact. Black one is the furthest to the back, and then there's the fresh one. As a rule, not always. Storage under the floor down here, deep storage at that. Two burners and a deep sink. Very deep sink with a domestic drainage. Here we've got, sorry, it's automatically I reached down there. There you can see the closure they're using even more closely. Two bins were all the rage in 2019, but hey, still can be useful. Up here, storage. I never understand what the point of something like this is. Having said that, if something were there, I doubt it would actually fall down. You put a spice in a glass jar here, I don't think it would fall onto there and smash it. I need to point out also that I did have that very same situation in my own van. I left the cover open, and a glass fell on top of that. Didn't dent it, nothing, couldn't tell. Right, here, deep storage with a ledge up there. Right, so there you go. Fiat based vehicle. We've got a door in this side. I'm now in favour of doors. I wasn't a year ago. And fridge here, big one from Dometic, and storage up the top here as well. There's your television. This one comes with leather seating. Looks very nice. French vehicles but often use this colour scheme, the white. I personally think it looks really nice, but you know, I think the dog would have appreciated it as well, until such times it turns a different colour. Let's have a look at it from the outside. I want to get some details as well on it. Right, so storage for the battery down there. That's an enormous battery, 210 ampere hours, and you can see there's even space for more. So that's really good. So cost 179,000. You've got all of these extras down there, and including an echo pack. But let's give you some of the other details. 755 centimeters long, 2 meters high internal height, and outside height 295. You've got payload over 1 ton, and this is on a 4.5 ton basis. Alde heating, as I said at the beginning, 4 sleeping places, 153 litre fridge. Here we have the rear garage, and that is absolutely enormous. Oh yeah, I like that. Note here also that you've got access to the garage from under the bed. Let's come out and around. Gas cupboard, and I think the vehicle looks, it's got a certain attraction to it. Luxury vehicle. Now this was the luxury arm of Pilote, Le Voyageur. But when Pilote acquired Frankia, I'd have to say that Frankia is it's a more luxurious brand than Le Voyageur, in my opinion. Although some of the things have been transferred from Pilote to Frankia, and they're also in use in Le Voyageur as well. Some features and some models, and it's not always something which is positive. Anyway, so there you have this model here. It is the Le Voyageur 7.5 GJF Eterna, and so I hope you found that interesting. Lots more videos on this site. In fact, I can show you around the stand whilst I'm here. We'll have a quick look at some of the other vehicles which are here for point of view of comparison. Maybe we can go on one, such as this one here. This has got a queen bed in it. See a different style without the bed up front. Look how much space that actually gives without the bed there. And in the back, I'd have to say that this is much more like it as far as I'm concerned. Just somewhat similar. And something like this, you're looking at 188,300. I'll show you this one here as well. So here, there's a shorter model, 170,000. This one here is it's under 7 meters, 680 centimeters. And oh yes, I know, I like this. Frankia's got a very similar model to this one. This very big kitchen at the back, huge amount of space there, and there's the toilet. Yeah, I can remember Frankia model filming it. Must be 5 or 6 years ago. This, like, with this large lounge, bed up front. This is absolutely a motorhome for living in. I think this is, yeah, it's very attractive. Big kitchen, almost a kitchen on wheels. Oh, this is the end of the show, so I'm not going to say anything whilst the lady's speaking.
Meine Damen und Herren, es ist 18 Uhr und damit schließt der Caravansalon für heute. Wir danken für Ihren Besuch und wünschen Ihnen einen angenehmen Abend. Ladies and gentlemen, it is 6 p.m. and with it, the Caravansalon is closing for today. We would like to thank you for your visit and wish you a pleasant evening. Mesdames et messieurs, il est 18h. Avec cela, le Caravansalon ferme pour aujourd'hui. Nous vous remercions de votre visite et vous souhaitons une bonne soirée. Signore e signori, sono le 6 e con ciò il Caravansalon chiude per oggi. Vi ringraziamo per la vostra visita e vi auguriamo una piacevole serata. Dames en heren, het is 18 uur en daarmee sluit de Caravansalon voor vandaag. Wij danken voor het bezoek und wünschen Ihnen bovendien een fijne avond.
So I let the lady talk. I think the rest was self-explanatory. So there's a quick walk around the stand, gives you an idea what else is available. It's different styles which one can buy. You see the others in different videos. But so from me in Düsseldorf, Germany, thanks so much for watching. Hope you found it interesting, and bye for now.